I've been in the kitchen, whipping up the grits and I've been really cooking, true. Cutting off the shreddings, warming up my blessings, cooking up the perfect soup. Cause God been really speaking and I've been really seeking, I'm your manifesting proof. I be cooking up some blessings for me, cooking up some blessings for me. Let me show you some self-love. Mix 2 cups of ambition, mix 2 cups of resilience. Now have some patience. And sometimes life might get too hot. That's where you must lift your top. Release some steam and let it breathe. I've been in the kitchen, whipping up the grits and I've been really cooking, true. Cutting off the shreddings, warming up my blessings, cooking up the perfect soup. Cause God been really speaking and I've been really seeking, I'm your manifesting. I be cooking up some blessings for me, cooking up some blessings for me. Indigo, indigo, indigo child, come take a break and come sip some tea now. Your life is set destiny as you please. Soul food, come and eat. Indigo, indigo, indigo child, come take a break and come sip some tea now. Your life is set destiny as you please. Soul food.